Hello and welcome to this video. If your sound isn't working properly or you're facing audio issues, updating your sound driver might fix the problem. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a simple method to update your audio driver in Windows 10, step by step. Let's get started right away. First, right-click on the Start menu icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Next, from the list that appears, select Device Manager. Then scroll down until you find the section labeled Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. After that, click the small arrow next to it to expand the list. Now, locate your main audio device, often labeled as Realtek Audio or a similar name. Right-click on that audio device and choose Update Driver from the menu. In the new window that opens, click on Search automatically for drivers. Windows will now search online for the latest driver and install it if available. Wait for the process to complete. That's it. Your sound driver is now updated. This can solve many audio problems in Windows 10. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.